Hello everyone, and welcome to another devlog for Cultist Astronaut. I'm excited to share the progress on our indie game and give you a glimpse into the bizarre world we're creating. In this video, we will talk about a new cult called the Imposters, a new worm AI that can jump in and out of the ground, the anybody boss who possesses multiple corpses, and last but not least, we will give an overview of the level and the challenges we are facing. So, who are the Imposters? Well, they are a group of alien worms obsessed with mimicking the identities of others. An imposter goes to extreme lengths to mimic, even stealing the corpse of their victim. Let's discuss some of the enemies you will see in the level. First, there are the Nobodies, which are basic worms without a body. Their arching movement uses a Bezier curve formula which we interpolate over to produce smooth movement. In the Unity editor, you can see we've added gizmos which allow us to see how the curves work. In order to select a target point for jumping, we've built a tile map function which takes in a min and max distance and picks a point around the worm and within the bounds of the tile map. You can visualize this as a donut shape. You can see here in this room we have the worms restricted to this area, which allows us to customize enemy encounters and control the pacing. We've also added the Piper Imposters, also known as Somebodies. They are referred to as Somebodies because they currently possess an identity and a corpse. They patrol the level wielding a pipe weapon and a pipe pistol. There is also a flying copter enemy that patrols the surface for intruders, and if detected, they will call in a swarm of Somebodies. Now, let's discuss the boss of this new level. We are creating a boss called the Anybody who is more intelligent and formidable than the rest of the worm populace. He is capable of jumping into multiple corpses and using a variety of attacks. We've used the same node system as the basic worms to make this one extremely long. This has the effect of making this enemy more difficult to dodge. This is only the first version of the Anybody, and we have plans to improve this boss further. We've been working hard on the level design for Cultist Astronaut, making adjustments and improvements to create a fair but challenging experience. Our current challenge with this level is how unforgiving it can be. There are sections where it's impossible to avoid damage. We are playtesting the game with other team members, friends, and relatives to identify these hotspots. Our solution is to focus on one or two mechanics rather than throwing them all together in a small area. If we do combine multiple mechanics, we are making sure they are paced fairly. After all, we want players to skillfully avoid damage instead of relying on luck. If you're interested in learning more about the game and the cults we are working on, then you should join our Discord server, where we post updates and engage in discussions. Also, if you want to support the development of the game, please consider adding Cultist Astronaut to your wishlist on Steam. Thank you for watching the devlog, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.